Welcome back, YouTube. Once again, now we're doing a fuel filter on a 2016 Cummins turbo diesel Nissan Titan. Here's the part number for the fuel filter. First thing you want to do is locate the fuel filter. It's going to be right behind the oil fill and right next to the oil dipstick. It's this black cap. Use a 28mm box wrench or socket, whatever one you feel like using, and it shouldn't take a lot of force because you don't want to break this plastic. So if it doesn't come off easy, you got other problems to deal with, so you might want to rethink doing the job. I don't know if you can hear right now, but there's air rushing, so don't just twist off this as fast as you can. You might splash out a bunch of fuel, and you probably don't want to do that. So once you get it to a certain point, you'll hear hissing. Let it stop hissing and then take it the rest of the way off. Alright, now put this on your bench, give it a wipe down, take the old O-ring, throw it in the garbage, and rub down the new O-ring with clean diesel fuel. And then reinstall that onto your cap. Give the fuel filter a little wiggle up, out, and into the trash can. Or drip pan, because you want to make sure all the diesel fuel's out of it before you chuck it in the garbage. Take the new filter and wiggle it gently, and it'll go down, and it'll have a, not a click, but you'll feel a noticeable little step when it's locked in. Alright, now time to take your cap that you lubed the O-ring, start it by hand and get it as far as you can by hand first. Alright, so you should be able to get it down that far by hand. If you're not getting it around close to this far down, then you're doing something wrong. Take it back off and rethink your strategy. Now go ahead and take the 28mm and tighten it down. Now this is plastic, so don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Just tighten it. Now that everything's tightened up, you're going to go in the truck and you're not going to act like you're starting it. So don't touch the brake. Just push the start button to turn it on, or if you have a turn key, just turn it forward for 30 seconds and it'll prime the fuel. After the 30 seconds, just turn the truck on. It should run, and that's all there is to it. So until next time, wrench on.